I cannot begin to tell you how grateful I am to God today for allowing me to be part of Uganda's generation that is striving and driving a revolution in our homeland's education system today. This improvement in performance is by and large attributed to the fact that teachers have adapted their teaching approaches to what competence-based instruction expects. For the candidates that did not get a satisfactory performance, there is an opportunity for you to resit UCE exams. It is now my singular honor and pleasure to release the 2025 Uganda Certificate of Education examination results for public use.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.